SEBI has come up with new nomination rules for mutual fund and Demat account. In this video, we are going to discuss in detail regarding these rules and regulation and how it is going to help you out. It's going to help you out in streamlining the asset transmission. It will reduce the documentation burden. It will reduce the unclaimed investment as well, and it will minimize the legal succession dispute. This is a circular screenshot of that circular which is levied by SEBI. Before we dig deeper, you should understand what is nomination and why it matters for you. Nomination is a simple process of appointing someone who can claim your asset in the event of your death. That is the nominee. And why it is important? Without nomination, legal delays can affect your family to access your funds. You should understand very clearly that nominees are trustee, they are not the legal hire. They are only responsible for holding or transferring your asset to rightful legal heirs. But the succession remains governed by the state law or a valid will only. I reiterate this point. Key changes which are effective from June 1st, 2025, new nomination form will be mandatory for submission in case of mutual fund or in case of Demat account. From September 1, number of nominee will be increased from 3 to 10 individuals. Currently, you can appoint 3 nominees in your mutual fund and Demat. After 1st of September, you can nominate 10 individuals. It will simplify the transmission process. Minimum documentation will be required for nominee, self-attested copy of the death certificate of the unit holder, completion or affirmation of KYC. There will be no affidavit, no indemnity, no undertaking or notarization required after this rule. And it will increase the nominee flexibility. You can allocate number of percentage as per your choice. Fixed percentage can be allocated, can be assigned per nominee. It will reduce the ambiguity. For example, if you are nominating 4%, you can give 25%, 20, 10, 30 as per your choice. Complete. Mandatory nominee details and nominee minors. What you should do in case of nominee is minor, or what are the details required in case you want to nominate someone. Earlier it was not mandatory to fill the PAN number, Aadhaar number, passport number of nominee. You should simply put the name of nominee, percentage, that's it. Now the required information is name, relationship, percentage share which you are allocating to that nominee, address of nominee, email ID, mobile number, and this ID can be anything. It could be PAN number, it could be Aadhaar number, passport or DL number. This should be provided in case of nomination. If you are opting out, not required. In case your nominee is minor, date of birth is mandatory. Guardian is optional, but it is always recommended to provide the guardian detail in case nominee is minor. Thumb impression. In case of thumb impression, 2 witnesses needed with name, address and signature. Practical implication and insight. It will lead to faster asset allocation, faster asset access for nominee. What are the practical implication and insight? Faster asset access for nominee. It will go for less paperwork. It will improve the investor experience. It will provide greater flexibility in case of succession planning. Mind you, nomination is not the inheritance. A will is still essential to avoid legal confusion. POA holders, that means power of attorney holders, they cannot make nomination. Surviving joint holders need only provide a death certificate for asset transmission. Investor can authorize one nominee, which is non-minor, to operate the account if they become physically incapacitated but they are mentally sound. After investor's death and nomination updates, post-death options, nominee can be joint holder or they can open the separate account. Unclaimed shares will remain with asset management company for mutual fund and depository for Demat account. Nomination can be updated unlimited number of times with acknowledgement. Align nomination with valid will to avoid future dispute. Peace of mind, that will streamline your asset transfer. Positive investor-centric reform by SEBI, but state planning remains crucial. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.